The world trusts India. The world believes in India. And the world is ready to build the semiconductor future with India.
Friends, the world now trusts India, that is, the world believes in India. This is the statement issued by PM Modi. And also, Prime Minister Modi announced that in the next 4 to 5 years, India will become the global chip powerhouse. Sounds ambitious, right? But the journey has already begun with India's first fully indigenous space microchip, that is Vikram 32. Semiconductors are the heart of every electronic device, your phone, laptop, satellites, even missiles. And guess what? Until now, India depended heavily on imports for these critical chips. But today, India has taken its first giant leap. But when we talk about global semiconductor manufacturing, even in 2025, India is still far behind compared to countries like the US, China, Taiwan, Japan, Germany. In terms of output, Taiwan's TSMC dominates globally. This is why the world is nervous. Today, a large portion of semiconductors comes from Taiwan or China. And if, in the future, China tries to take over Taiwan, what happens then? What if there is a sudden shortage of semiconductors? How will the world's manufacturing function? This is why every major country is trying to become self-reliant in semiconductors. So to be in race, India launched its semiconductor mission back in 2021. One critical part of semiconductor manufacturing is fabrication plants, in short called as fabs. Every country is compared based on how many fabs they have. India dreams of having 10 fabs in the coming years. The government says it already has 20 proposals, but for now, India has only 4 fabs. One is ISRO's SCL, Semiconductor Laboratory, in Mohali. Second is Star CSMEMS Fab in Bangalore. Third is Star CSCMOS Fab in Bangalore. The last is Gatex GAS Fab in Hyderabad. But let's be real. India now has just 4 fabs compared to Japan's 100 plus and US's 95. The government's target is 10 fabs soon, but experts say we need at least 20 to 25 fabs to compete globally. Every major country, USA, China, Japan, Korea, is racing towards semiconductor independence. And India must run faster. And for India, being dependent on imports means risking our national security and space ambitions. This is where India's breakthrough comes in. Meet Vikram 32. It is a 32-bit microprocessor, 100% designed and manufactured in India by ISRO's Semiconductor Laboratory SLC. It is built with 180nm technology. A chip built not for smartphones, but for something bigger: space applications. Now, India's space ambitions are huge. We currently have nearly 50 satellites in orbit, but plan to triple this number. We are building our own space station. We have future missions like Chandrayaan 4, Chandrayaan 5, with Japan, Mars, and Venus missions. For all this, India needs its own chips. In space, chips must survive extreme temperatures from minus 55 degrees Celsius freezing cold to 125 degrees Celsius scorching heat. That is why it's built on 180nm technology. Vikram 32 is tough, reliable, and made exactly for this. Until now, we used to import such chips from the US, Europe, or East Asia. But not anymore now, it's made in India. But to truly become a global semiconductor hub, India needs more fabs, not just 10, but 20 to 25 at least. And more investments. And also a fully indigenous ecosystem, from chip design to mass manufacturing. The government has already announced that by 2025 end, commercial chip production will begin in India. By 2030, India aims to target a $100 billion semiconductor market. This will create thousands of jobs and also help build a complete electronics manufacturing ecosystem in India. So, while it's tough to immediately compete with the US, China, Taiwan, or Japan, but India is slowly entering the race. By 2030, India will be in the list of major semiconductor producing nations.
स्मृति चिन्ह में है विक्रम 32 बिट प्रोसेसर। ये चिप इसरो और सेमीकंडक्टर लैब में तैयार किया है। साथ में है 4 अप्रूव्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स की टेस्ट चिप्स और 28 चिप्स जिन्हें छात्रों ने चिप्स टू स्टार्टअप प्रोग्राम के तहत तैयार किया है। इनका फैब्रिकेशन और पैकेजिंग मोहाली के सेमीकंडक्टर हब में तैयार किया गया है।
This Vikram 32 chip is just the beginning. Soon, the smallest chip from India may drive the biggest changes in the world. So yes, it won't happen overnight. But India has entered the race. And one day, the smallest chip from India might drive the biggest change in the world. If any updates on the mission, I will make an updated video on that. Before that, do subscribe and support the video.